It'll happen any day now.
2.
It's right around the corner.
3.
In the near future.
4.
It will slash won't happen in our lifetime in the next 40 to 50 years.
5.
It's a sign, taste of things to come. It indicates how things will be in the future.
6.
I'm counting down the days until. I'm excited about the future event. I can't wait for it to happen.
7.
Sooner or later, it's bound to happen eventually. It will definitely happen sometime in the future.
8.
I'll get around to it. I'll do it sometime in the future. But I don't know exactly when.
9.
I'll do it right away. I'll get right on it. I'll do it immediately.
10.
Time will tell in the future. We will know if something is true, false, or good, bad.